Well, joining us again this morning is David Brooks with the Made in Oklahoma Coalition, and this is good because not only is it game day, but people had been messaging me wondering if you were going to be a part of our new Showtime.
Yeah.
Right.
And I was like, he's coming with us. Don't worry.
The show is saved.
The show is saved.
I'm here.
David Brooks is
Yes.
here. And this is actually, no, you get a chicken sandwich at the OU game, not
Yes.
nachos.
Right. Yeah, when it comes to beef, I'm allergic to beef, so I
That's
need you to
right.
just leave a little corner for me with the non-beef.
With the cheese.
This is going to be the Jed corner.
right.
All right, I'll take that.
The rest of us get Oklahoma beef
Let's do it.
all over
Yeah.
it. Okay, here's what we're going to do. This is for a party. This is whatever. You don't use plates. You don't do that. You put parchment paper on your counter,
Okay.
on your table, on the driveway, whatever
On the
works.
driveway.
That's
There you go.
meat, Oklahoma beef.
Yum.
Put a little taco seasoning in
Okay.
it, made in El Paso,
right.
Texas. And then I've put in almost a jar of this.
Okay.
Finish that up,
Finish it,
stir it
put
in.
it up, put this all in there.
And that's just nacho sauce.
Okay.
Now, here's what we're supporting today. This is a company called 6 Day Snacks.
Okay.
The mom of this family got cancer.
Okay.
Oh.
And to pay the cancer bills, the kids and the dad opened a company in their garage on the 6th day because they worked all week. Saturday was their day. Isn't that cool? But now they
so
make some of the
cool.
scariest salsa. You see what that is?
How is
yeah,
the mom?
that's
How is the mom
right.
doing? Is she still battling cancer?
She's still battling, but
Okay.
doing good.
Okay.
But this is Carolina Reaper. This is the hottest sauce. This I don't know how it stays in a
Okay,
jar.
and that's Ashley's right there.
No.
You want to give her
Oh.
some of that.
And they do ghost pepper, so
Wow.
they do some fun stuff. This
my
is
goodness.
mild, medium, and hot. We're doing mild today
I'm
because
a mild
Yeah,
girl.
that's my,
we're a
my
bunch of
sauce right
wimps.
there.
So what we're going to do is we've got stuff to put
Okay.
on it. You've got the meat.
Yep.
You've
Stir it
already
all
poured
in.
the rest in, so here's what we do. Pour the salsa in the meat and let it all warm together because
Yeah.
people dip their chips in cold salsa and it's terrible. Now here, we're just going to start making them.
Okay.
All right.
So
And
you can make a mess with this because you've got the partner's paper down, is what I'm hearing
Yeah.
all
you
you
say.
do is roll it up and away it goes.
Then you
now,
don't have to worry about.
look at the, and put
Anything
a
else?
lot on. People make nachos in the microwave, sprinkle cheese, and hope everybody loves it. No, don't do that. Pile that sucker on there. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, did you notice you got a cooktop today?
I do.
This is
I know.
kind
I
of
feel so
Graduate
special.
school for
That
her.
is.
Yes,
Good
I have
stuff.
graduated.
Yes, now, look here.
Here we go.
And then, Jed,
yeah.
you're going to put on onions,
Nice.
tomatoes, and then we're going to sprinkle this with lime. Some people do cilantro, but most people don't like cilantro. They just think it should be there. All right.
Start
So
working
quick,
on
so
some-
easy. If you're having people over for all the games that we have today.
Yes, you go that way, I'll go this way. Look at it. Is
There
it?
we go.
It's gorgeous. If somebody comes over and isn't happy with that,
And
now
then we'll
looky here.
squeeze the
Got
limes.
the lime?
You want squeeze
I'll
the lime? You
squeeze
can
the
have
lime.
a lime. You can have
Then
a
we're
lime.
gonna try, and then Jed's gonna tell us about our weather here in a second.
Oh, the weather's good.
That's the
Stay over
kind-
here
Oh,
and
yeah,
just
it
eat.
is,
You got
yeah.
that whole corner.
There we go.
Okay.
All right, give them a try.
Okay.
Nice.
Dip in there.
Gotta get in there.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And if you don't like these, you're not American.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Very good.
6 Day Snacks available everywhere. They're on the MIO website. They'll get them to you.
Very good.
All
I'm
right.
supposed to do weather. Can I do
You
it
are
with a
supposed to do
mouthful?
weather.
Sure, I'll get
Do
you
you
a
need a
plate.
napkin? You want me to bring you a napkin?
I would take a napkin.
Okay, I'll go get you a napkin, and you go
That
to the
was not
weather wall.
prepared on this one.
And
How about
I'm-
that?
We got
David,
some great weather coming.
And